Okay, so today we are making another simple but delicious homemade baking recipe. Okay, we are making scones. Yes, they are so delicious and easy to put together. Let's get started. So to a bowl, I'm going to go in with 360 grams of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. I'll then go ahead and add 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'll go ahead and sift this nicely into my mixing bowl. I'll then go ahead and add just a pinch of salt because I'm going to be using margarine for this recipe. I'll then go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is totally optional, so if you need solely savory scones, please omit the sugar. And the sugar is not to give it any sweetness, just to balance the taste. Okay, I'll stir and then I'll go ahead and add our margarine. Now I cubed this and kept it in the fridge for some minutes before starting the whole process. So at all times, make sure your butter or your margarine is cold. Now I'm going to rub in the margarine with my fingers until the mixture becomes crumbly. Just like this. Okay, this is the exact thing that we are looking out for. So it's now time for us to go in with our milk. I'm using evaporated milk, and you can as well use any milk of your choice. And then I'll go ahead and use my fork to bring the mixture together nicely. At this point, you need to be careful how you handle this mixture. Okay, do not need to overwork it at all. So I'll just do that gently and then go ahead with the process. If you enjoy simple baking recipes like this, you may consider joining my channel membership, where you get early access to videos, exclusive recipes, and special perks to support the channel. Okay, so at this point our mixture is almost together, and so I'll go in with my hands now to bring everything together nicely, as you see in the video. So you would notice that I'm not exerting much pressure on the dough at all. I'm not kneading it. I'm just trying to bring everything together nicely. If not, our scones will become hard or tough at the end of the day, and we do not want that. Now on to the next process. I'm going to lightly flour my surface, and I'll put the dough on it. Pat the dough flat and not roll it. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to this particular process. And kindly take note of the thickness of the dough. Okay, so with my glass tip, I'm going to cut out my scones. You can as well use cookie cutter, okay, but make sure your cutter is about 2 to 3 inch and not just the small ones. That's why I preferred using the glass, because it's better compared to the cookie cutters I have available. Okay, so this is how your scones should be looking like when you cut them out. Okay, they look so good even as at now. So I'll just do that and then bring back the dough together gently again, and we cut out the rest of the pieces. Now here are our scones sitting gorgeously. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and brush my egg wash on it to give it that golden color after baking. Right, it's totally optional, but I prefer it this way. So we are done with our egg wash, and then we are going to be baking these beauties for about 15 to 20 minutes at 190 C. Okay, I'm already preheating my oven. And guys, this is after 20 minutes. Look at how amazing these scones look. They look so gorgeous, and not just that, they taste so good. So let me know in the comments what you are going to be using as a topping for these scones. Okay, I may prefer cream cheese frosting or something, so let me know your thoughts or your options. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.